Welcome to Chicago Luxury Penthouses, the most premier location in the Midwest. The latest in technology and luxury combined with elegant architecture and stunning views of the magnificent Chicago skyline. These units are built to get noticed. Your home will truly be a statement of your success. A penthouse is the most sought-after apartment in the building, whether it is on top of the floor of a six-story mid-rise or the 50th floor of a skyscraper. The view from a huge outdoor area that is set back from the outer walls to provide extensive, private terraces as opposed to other units on lower floors that might only have a balcony is one factor. For today's video, I will show you 5 luxurious penthouses in Chicago. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. Number 5. 750 North Hudson. The Hudson is one of Chicago's most underappreciated structures. The Hudson, a building in River North, has a magnificent outdoor pool and sun deck, a contemporary club-like fitness center with a separate yoga room, door service and concierge services, and even a dog run. The Hudson's Penthouse, which costs $10,000 a month, is equally as magnificent and comes with a sizable private terrace of its own, sleek modern furnishings, and plenty of living space to make you feel like you're living on top of the world. Number 4. 1040 North Lakeshore Drive. For people who value the best comforts, conveniences, security, and solitude at home, this tastefully constructed custom apartment offers true luxury. This property welcomes you with a sense of flair and refinement from the moment you are greeted by the skilled door staff until you arrive at the semi-private level lobby and the big front door opens. With an open floor plan, 3 bedrooms, and 4.5 bathrooms, this large home has been painstakingly refurbished to be contemporary yet practical. A private terrace offers views of Oak Street Beach and Lake Michigan. The living areas have floors that are stained ebony. A full wet bar and wine fridge are conveniently located between the dining and living areas, and the white granite kitchen and breakfast island are decorated with high-end appliances. The great area is anchored by a bespoke fireplace that is both aesthetically pleasing and practical. Number 3. 600 North Fairbanks. The apartments in this building offer 926 square feet of living area on average. There are both 1 and 2 bedroom layout options available, with sizes ranging from 132 to 169 square feet. However, a home isn't only where you sleep at night. The rest of the house is just as important while looking for the ideal location to call home. These kitchens, which range in size from 80 to 130 square feet overall, will be a hit with the family cook. The 495 square foot dining area can accommodate the occasional dinner group and yet have enough space to prepare a great 5-course meal. Before we continue, please make sure to like a video and leave a comment. Number 2. 202 West Hill Street. The Penthouse Collection offers floor designs with 3 extremely private bedrooms, plus a flexible space. Stunning views, a huge private rooftop deck with a hot tub, available both furnished and unfurnished, and exquisite finishing. Enjoy 7.5-inch wide hardwood floors, solid core doors, spacious walk-in closets, a gas fireplace in the living room, floor-to-ceiling windows, an open gourmet chef's kitchen with quartzite waterfall countertops, professional-grade appliances, 5-burner gas cooktop, a double oven with full-range hood, a wine cooler, and a wet bar. All top-floor penthouses offer a rooftop deck, hot tub, and outdoor kitchen for outdoor entertaining, a 24-hour doorman, outdoor pool, exercise center, sports lounge, spa, and basketball courts are all features of the full amenity building. The Brown Line, dining, entertainment, and shopping are all conveniently close in by Old Town. 2 cars can fit in the supplied tandem garage parking space. Number 1. 1140 North Wells. The Penthouse is presented by Level Furnished Living, priced at $45,000 a month. Creel Creative Interiors created the 85,000 square foot, 4-bedroom plus den, 4.5 bathroom, 2-level home, while the award-winning Ani Group constructed it. High-end finishes, heated stone tile flooring, floor-to-ceiling windows, a floating staircase, a private in-home elevator, and 3,500 square feet of outdoor space with the breathtaking city and lake views are all included. Open chef's kitchen featuring quartzite waterfall countertops, Sub-Zero and Wolf equipment, a 20-foot pool, hot tub, fire pit, roomy lounge rooms, many dining areas, an outdoor shower, a bar, and a kitchen are all included on the unique rooftop terrace. High-speed internet, motorized blinds, 4K smart TVs, and the Lutron Smart Home System. A second caterer's kitchen and 3 automobiles can be parked safely. The building has full amenities, including a sports court, fitness facility, sports lounge, and spa open around the clock. Truly, an excellent location in Old Town, close to food, entertainment, nightlife, and transportation. So, which luxury penthouse was your favorite in Chicago? Let me know your answer in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can also visit our channel and check out our other videos that we've uploaded, brought to you by the Luxe Luxury channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.